Oh hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to Michelle's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making saltfish with vegetable and boiled dumpling. Here is the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my saltfish. It's 5 shallots, 2 tomato, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 3 red onions, 1 red pepper, and 1 green pepper. I'm going to be cutting them up in little cubes. Actually, not that little. Going to be putting on a pair of gloves for the pepper. Perfect. Okay, so I've always just used like a little piece of the pepper and I'll go around it like this. I'm gonna use the whole pepper. I just said just use a little piece, but the trick is to not make any seed get into your food, because that's where the spice is at. Try my best to not make any seed get into the... Okay, here we go. That's it. I'm going to be cutting a few garlic. Here we go. Okay, so there you have it. I'll be washing the saltfish shortly, which I have been soaking since last night into just different water. And right now I'm going to be picking the saltfish. Make sure the scales are off and the bones and any vein and so forth. I just put a tablespoon of vinegar inside the saltfish, and while this is boiling, I'll just start on some corn. Taking a few pieces of the Scotch bonnet pepper to put inside my boiling pot that I'm going to be doing the corn with. Just for spice. And I'm going to be taking a few of the diced onion just for flavor. I've already mashed 3 cloves of garlic and a shallot. I'm going to be placing in the pot and leave it to boil for maybe a minute. I am also going to be putting some chicken soup mix. I'll use 1 scoop. Okay. Taste it. Again, this is for flavoring of my corn. And a bit of black pepper just a dash. Black pepper. I'm going to be using a bit of Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. That's about a teaspoon. Okay, I'm going to taste it for the flavor. Perfect. Oh, cheap again. Just a teeny bit. Why not? It's my kitchen. And flavors are number one for me. Again, my corn is all chopped. Oh Lord, I have so much seasoning. My corn is all chopped and ready to be placed in the pot. That's it. So here's the flour, and this container is from Cuisinart. It's a cup and a half. I'm going to be putting 2 of this container, okay, which is a cup and a half, and I'm going to be putting about a half a cup of cornmeal. To the flour. And now I'm going to be using half a tablespoon of salt. Okay. I'm going to be starting with 2 cups of water for the kneading of the dumpling. You just put it in and pass your hand around it like that. I'm not. Okay. So it's more of a cornmeal and flour dumpling. On to my second cup of water. Again, it's two cups. Nice and soft, easy to kneel. Okay. 2. I'm bringing all together. It's nice and smooshy. Okay, that's it. About 20 minutes to boil this corn, and the flavor is amazing. You could smell all the seasoning, and that's it. So I'm going to be turning off the stove now, and with this water you could also drink it because it's flavored. And as for the codfish that's been boiling, I'm going to be throwing off the water. This codfish have been boiling also for 20 minutes. I have just strained off the saltfish, and now I'm going to be stripping the fish, removing all the bones, the scale, and to make it perfect. The next time you see this, it will be going in the frying pan. Irish potatoes to go with these dumpling. Here we go. So I put a few Irish potato inside the pot and 2 whole banana that I didn't want to throw away. I love green banana, and the fridge is closed and I didn't want to go over and buy any banana. So here's for the dumpling. Just grab a piece, put it in the middle of your hand and just knead it. There's going to be more dumpling than anything else in this pot. You know, we Jamaican love our dumpling. Okay, so here we go. So after preheating the pot and oil inside the pot, here's my seasoning. Just remember that there's some hot peppers in here. Hope my hand didn't catch it. Okay, so here we go. Oh, the aroma of this is just banging. Bang, 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 bang. When my stove is on high heat, with all the vegetable beans cooking down, I'll bring to simmer a bit, then I'll put in the saltfish. So after the vegetable has simmered down, I put the saltfish in. Now the saltfish is being cooked. And I believe I okay. So I'll go ahead and put black pepper. Okay. Just turn it around. At this point, my stove is on medium. Okay. Because I'm losing the oil if I continue to raise the pot, raise the fire in the pot. Seasoning salt, about 2 teaspoons of seasoning salt, gives it a beautiful flavor. And at this point, I'm going to be tasting the gravy and the cod fish to see the flavor in the pot. Okay, it's spicy, that's what you want, but not spicy enough. So I'll put a bit more black pepper. Okay, I'll use a different type of seasoning salt. No two companies are alike. Okay. Okay, so this is the color that you want when you're doing a codfish, Jamaican style. And I'm going to use a bit of the pot water. You know, Jamaica we say pot water. And you just put a few. That's how I do it actually. Okay. I can't do all that oil in my stomach. Okay, so I'm using, remember I said the pot is too high, then I'll lose all my oil, my gravy. And that's the beauty of it. Okay, so this is it. I'll see you in the final result. Okay, here's the finishing touch. Dumpling, Irish potato, corn. Remember the corn is inside the soup. It's amazing, which we're gonna be drinking the soup after. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Michele. I will enjoy. See you next time.